Hello student, I Dr. R.D. Patil, Head Department of Zoology, Vasanthanaik Arts, Science and Commerce College, Shada. Our long duration of also your TYBSc class, we also continuation in your syllabus point of view after a particular situation of the pandemic of the COVID. In this situation, the UGC also online to the 30 to 40% syllabus are completed and long recess the Diwali vacation we start the next your syllabus point of view is a third units, that is name of the unit is a control measures. In your unit number 3 control measures, we already discussed in unit number 2 as the introduction. In unit introduction, definition of the pest, classification of the pest, different types of the pest, that is agricultural pest, store grain pest, veterinary pest, public health pest, and structural pest. Second unit is insect vectors. In insect vector units, definition of the vector in first subunits, and 2.2 second subunit, types of vectors. In types of vectors, we already discussed about the mosquitoes, housefly, and cockroaches. Dear friends, with completion of the two units, later on today we discuss about the unit number third is the control measure. In control measures, there are the four sub points are included. Out of these four sub points, 3.1 is a primary control and their types. 3.2 is the chemical control and their types. 3.3 is the biological control and their types. And 3.4 is the concept of IPM. In a short IPM, it is in long integrated pest management. Dear friends, first we know about as a subunits 3.1 primary control and their types. Dear friends, we also first what is mean control measures. Any kinds of the insects which are harmful for the human beings as well as your domesticated animals. This type of the harmful insects controlling is most important because we are severe damaging as well as also very dangerous loss to the farmer. In this point of view, first in your primary control measures, your names to primary mean first. These are the ordinary farm practices through which the outburst or migration of the insect pest can be prevented of the beginning itself. In your control measure point of view, pest control is the regulation or management of the pests defined as a pest, a member of the animal kingdom that impacts adversely on human activities. This can be achieved by monitoring the crop, only applying insecticides when necessary, and by growing varieties and crops which are resistant to pest. So, in this point of view, pest control is essential for the well-being of human health and ecology. Damage caused by the pest can also affect the economy, considering how dangerous these species are for housing properties and agricultures. In your economical point of view as well as harmful effect point of view, the controlling the pest is essential or important. Depending on the types of the pest, we can distinguish several different pest control methods, which includes biological pest control, mechanical pest control method, physical pest control method, poisoned bait, field burning, trap cropping, and the use of pesticides. Where we are going to look into each of the pest control methods as well as why and how they are implemented. Means in important point of view, uh, controlling point of view, all kinds of the methods, that is also as a pest controlling point of view, that is biological pest control, mechanical pest control, all kinds of the methods of insect control or pest control is most important for the control measures. In biological pest control is the most natural method known today. It efficiently reduces the number of pests without leaving any consequences for the rest of the environment. This treatment works by putting substances such as bacteria which kills pests, example mosquitoes, in water sources while still being safe for humans to drink. The goal of the biological pest control is to complete the task of killing the dangerous species without affecting any other aspect of the nature. So in simple way, biological control we detail study in the next another topics. So in simple ways or methods, it is also called as a in a Sanskrit Jios Jivanam. One living organisms are controlling the another living organism. So this is the biological controls. So in your specific point of view, of all kinds of the brief to control measures are detailed discuss in a primary point of view. It is a ordinary or farm practices methods which are included in the primary control measures. In primary control measures, we first to known as a mechanical pest control. In simple way, it is called a mechanical control. Operation through which the insects' life stages are directly hit and interfered by mechanical devices or manual techniques are called as a mechanical methods. Means it in simple way, it is called mechanical work. Any kinds of the hand operating systems which are utilized to controlling the pest method or pest population, it is called the mechanical pest control or mechanical control. These methods as a following are the protection of the crops and foods from the insect attack by mechanical method is the ancient method of the pest control, and this does not involve any special skills except the use of the manual labor and mechanical devices. It is a time consuming, labor intensive method that requires higher cost for large scale control, but it gives immediate results. It is often followed as kitchens, gardens, as well as by small and marginal farmers. The following are some of the methods practiced under each category. Out of this mechanical control method, is the first is we also prevents spreading further destruction of the key. Already discussed about this description. Such a methods which are another place where pests could be found at a home. These are the ordinary farm practices though which outburst or migration of the insect pest can be prevented at the beginning of itself. We already discussed in first units. Okay, this primary control measures are divided into following types. A is a mechanical control. In a mechanical controls, we also already discussed operation through which insect lives as a manually techniques are used in this method. It is further divided into following methods. First, the hand picking. About this position, when only a few plants are infected, certain large conspicuous species may be removed from the plants by hand and destroyed just by pressing the abdomen or dipping them in kerosene water. It is quite effective in a small affected area and where labor is sufficiently available at a cheaper rate. It is most assured way of destroying the eggs, larva, pupa, and adult and helps in suppressing the pest population in an initial stage of pest development. So this is the hand picking methods. Second is the hand netting or bagging. In particular methods, that is this is the hand netting and bagging. We for catching the various insect pest, simple entomological nets can be used. Sometimes the bags are used to collect the large number of pests. Insect like surface grasshopper, rice grasshopper, crickets, earhead bugs, and leaf hoppers can be collected with nets. So, in these methods and picking methods and bagging as a temporary formed by the plastics bags as well as nets also utilized to collecting the insects. Next is the artificial barriers. In this methods of mechanical control measure, protection of the crop from crawling and migratory pest insects such as army worms, termites, locusts, etc. Artificial barriers can be employed successfully. Treated paper, dust barriers and water channels can be used for checking the migration of crawling insects. Some of artificial barriers are in your artificial barrier. We also any kinds of the plants or crops to protection for the outer or side of the stem to crippling. Also barriers are used in the form of the bending. Next is the uh, insect traps, mechanical or light traps are used. Sorry, this is a bending. Next is the tracing and finishing, and third is the screening. So this type of the artificial barriers are used in bending. Sticky cotton bands or oil cloth bands or any kind of the sticky bands are used for in particular metal. Next is trenching and fencing against Chinese bugs, sorry, chinch bug and army worms are hairy caterpillars in order to prevent migration of these pests from infested to the non-infested area by constructing deep furrow or trench around the fields, the route of the migratory insects, or by pouring some oils in the form of linear barriers. So this type of the trenching and fencing methods are used for controlling the insect pests. Next is the screening. In this method, it is a regular method which applied on the windows and doors of the houses to avoid attack of the mosquitoes, diphtheria flies, other insect causes disease to man and domestic animal. So in this way, this is a artificial barriers are used in three methods. Next is the fourth is the insect traps or trappings. In this mechanical control methods, traps are the simple devices by which the insects can be captured, killed, and the population of the pest can be reduced. In the insect traps or trappings, there are the uh, four methods, that is a mechanical or light traps, a, small b, grid type trap, small c, bait traps, and d, pheromones traps. These are pheromone traps. So these particular pheromone traps are used in this methods to conducting by the view. In your insect traps or trapping, mechanical or light traps, in first methods, that is by placing artificial light depends upon the candle power and color at the center of the vessel containing kerosinized water. Mass population of the various nocturnal insects can be effectively reduced. That is example is a jacids population of various termites, cutworms also controlling in this method. Next is a grid type trap. In grid type trap, this is a made up of the grid containing parallel wires connected alternately to the terminals of the high voltage low ampere circuit, so that when an insect come in between the parallel wires, the circuit is completed and the insect get killed. It is used against mosquitoes, European corn borers, and pudding moths. Next, third is the bait traps. It is simple way any poisonous chemicals are used to preparation by the bait. In bait traps are a form of control whereby insects are attracted to the selected spots which they cannot be easily removed. Bait traps are very effective against the nocturnal insects like cockroaches, crickets, nocturnal moths. Next, last is the fourth is the pheromone traps. It is most important. Pheromones are the particular chemicals which are also secreted by the opposite sex to attract by the uh, opposite insect. That is a female release the particular chemical odors to attract the male in your opposite to get by the matings. So the small metallic cylindrical trap is prepared and is baited with the extract of the last abdominal segments of the female gypsy moth. Means in pyramidal traps, it is naturally to attracting the opposite sex by the insect, but this type of the artificial pheromone traps are prepared by the any same releasing chemical to prepared by this taps or beds to use and attract the opposite sex and to trap the particular insect and kill. So these techniques are used by the especially gypsy moth. Next, fifth method is the shaking. In this method, a tub of chlorinated water could be kept under the infested plant where its branches could be shaken to make the paste of the drop into the tub. This practice will be effective against locust and defoliating beetles. We also mainly severe pest on attacking by the uh, green plants. Next method to controlling the primary control method point of view, physical measures. In mechanical measure, mechanical devices are used as a different method. Physical measures, we also physical factors or physical components are also used in the naturally formed to controlling the insect pest. Out of these physical measures, that is first is the heat. We already discussed it is commonly used against store grain pest, fruit flies, wood and cloth damaging insect, and also those damaging the book and subterranean pest. So here many more times also heavy or excess uh, degree of temperatures of the that is a in your Faraday as well as temperature, the store grain pest can be killed at the exposure of 125 to 130 degree Faraday for a period of 3 hours. Sun drying of grains is a disinfect insect pest and microbes is a common use of heat for the pest control. Next, second is the cold, that is the exposing infested material of low temperature 0 to 10 degree that enhances the disintegration of the body fluids due to low enzymatic phase in biological system. Apples are stored at 0 to 3 degrees centigrade to prevent maggot damage. Cold storage will be help in the suppresses microbes and insects on vegetable fruits as well as grains. This is the cold or lower temperature are controlling the insect pest. Next, third is the air pressure. Abnormal air flow as well as concentration of CO2 and O2 also influences the insect that grow on the plants and inhibit. Kerosene is poured in rice fields to arrest the spread of rice case worm to kill mosquito larvae spreading of kerosene layer in the drains as a specific air pressure methods. Next is the moistures. Moisture regulation in the environment of insect also helps to suppress pest. Moisture below 10% in grain will prevent the growth of the development of insect. Next is the light. Light is also most important biotic or physical factors to association with the heat influences the insects since they are positively or negatively phototropic in nature. Many moths are attracted uh, heat influences with light trap catches fluorescent lamps to attract the insects. Next is the sound. In these control methods, by regulating sound use, some insects can be influenced. Ultrasonic sound use can be used against nocturnal insects like mosquito and cockroaches. This type of the sounds are also directly or indirectly also most important to controlling the uh, pest to against to any kinds of the damaging by the human being as well as your domesticated animal. So this is the uh, second method, that is the physical methods. Next, uh, C, capital C is a cultural control. Yeah, it is the cultural measures of the pest management aims at a reduction of the pest population by suitable adjustment of agronomic practices. The farm practices to be done in many advances to prevent pest attack in future, which serves as indirect measure of pest control. It requires routine farm exercise and farming machinery, and thus it is cheapest method of pest control. The farmers, however, require the knowledge of the types, life cycle, favorable environmental condition, and habit of the pest problem without any additional efforts. This type of the cultural control is most depending on the agroeconomic practices. In some of the cultural measures are also following methods are used in these primary control measures. First is a clean cultivation, is a simple farm practices to controlling by the regular farmer in your rural areas. That is in clean cultivation. Clean cultivation means removal of weeds, plant reduces, residues, and other materials from the fields and growing only healthy crops. The destruction of crop residue is very good preventing measure for controlling certain species of insect like caterpillars or beetles. So this is a clean cultivation as a completion by the any yieldings in your farm at this time. The wastage materials are also uh, reduced or de-vanished in particular methods are used by the clean cultivation. Next is the second tilling and soil, tillage of soil. Summer plowing and upturning of the top layer of the soil exposes the soil inhibiting immature stages of adults of insects in the soil are reduced to a considerable extreme. The plow, it is used at a right time, is a good tool for combating many insect pests by exposing or disturbing those to natural enemies or to hot weather. So this is the drilling of the soil in the simple way to tiller of the tractors. Particular instruments are used in soil to cultivation by the upper soil or also as a lower side to mix and get by the excess sunlight also available for this soil and specific temperature any kinds of the life cycle stages are dead. Next is the crop rotation. This is most important to get by the naturally the rural farmers are use this method. Any kinds of farm the rotation system we also use to crop rotation. That is some insect pests maintain host specificity very strictly by changing the crop. The respective pest can be eradicated in the absence of its specific host from the cultivated area or may migrate to the other region where some crop is cultivated. Rotation of corn and wheat crops helps in eradicating the pest of the corn. Similarly, the trap crops, that is a crop of allied species before the main crop, also help in reducing the pest. Next, fourth is the time of sowing or planting and harvesting. In these methods, many plants are susceptible to the attack of the pest during a limited period in their life, and serious attack will be result if the pest population is building up that period. Similarly, many pests occur in a particular period of the year comprising of some days or weeks, and it showing or cultivation time changed, the crop can be saved from the pest. Dear friends, early maturing cotton is not attacked by the pink bollworm and areas where moth do not emerge early. Similarly, this type of the particular methods are used as a time showing of planting or harvesting. Next, fifth in cultural method is a resistant varieties. In this group, the any kinds of the crop varieties or hybrid varieties are used. The pests are not easily attacked. It also use or specific type of the variety or crop seeds to growing in your farm is a resistant varieties. Means use of crop varieties resistant to pest or disease is considered as a sustainable solution, particularly in low input oriented cropping system. Next, six is the uh, use of manures and fertilizers. This is a fertilizing. Means in this method, use of manures or fertilizers is particularly increasing the yielding of the crops in the farm, that is economical crop, is a most important methods for the use of different kinds of the nitrogenous fertilizers in some soil train increase the susceptibility of the sorghum or damages by attack of the insect due to simultaneous plant growth. Application of potash to the crop reduces the incidence of viral disease in tomato. The particular type of the chemicals or fertilizers are used to growing or improve the yielding of the crops. So this is a C or three methods. Next is the D. This is the legislative measures. In this legislative method, it is necessary to take great care that to pest should be transported to other places or countries where it may be developed overpopulation in the absence of the natural enemies. The nursery stock of seeds transported from foreign countries through steamers or aircrafts may be bring pest. So in these particular methods of the uh, legislation, the particular type of the variety of the pest which are not controlling in another to control as a natural enemy, or natural enemy also absent in the particular area. Next is the quarantine measures. This is the most important measure. Totally in this quarantine measures, we this particular words also use at this time of the COVID-19 situation. Any kinds of the patients which also suffering or symptoms of the COVID at this time to get by quarantine. As same this method, the purpose of the planned quarantine is to prevent by legal restriction the entrance and establishment of the plant disease or insect pest is in an area where the disease or pest does not exist. Several quarantine measures are strictly employed at the part of the entry point to the avoid entry of the any noxious pest, parasite, predators or pathogens from any country to another with the travelers, plant grains, food materials, fruits, vegetables, furnitures, timber, blue stocks, etc. So in the quarantine methods, different types of particular methods are used. First is a total prohibition. Total ban is imposed on some materials like import of unsigned cotton used for packing. Next, second is the health and phytosanitary certificate. It is the most important while transporting the plants products of health, and a phytosanitary certificate is issued by competent authority. The certificate saying specifically the material is free from pest, parasite, predator, and pathogen. This is a specific certificate to use by the in your health and phytosanitary certificate. Next, license system. Transport of vegetables, fruits, ornamental plants, and food grains by individual travelers is prohibited, and under the quarantine regulation, such as goods can be imported to exported by some licensed agency which follow the quarantine provision strictly. It avoids risky of introducing pest, parasite, pathogen, and weeds from one country to another country. Next is the prohibited areas. This particular type we also use as a in your no parking zones. Also many more of the marking in your educational area as same for the prohibited area. International Quarantine Authority has declared some prohibited areas as are endemic and avoid spread of disease in the animal and plants. That is example, sugar cuttings are banned to import from Australia, New Guinea, Fiji and West India. Next is the chemical treatment. Yeah, that is in this method, the chemicals are used for the treating as controlling the insect pest. That is the fumigation or insecticidal dressing to seeds and other plant material is to be fulfilled either before or immediately after the entry. Last is the isolation and inspection. Means in these control methods, after entry and imported plants are kept is isolated area, and after through or complete examination are released. So in this way, the all kinds of the uh, main primary control measures as well as sub uh, topic of the or sub methods or different subgroups methods are used in primary control measure are completed in these chapters. Dear friends, we in our discussion detail point of view in next controlling methods or next units, next sub units 3.2 in this units is chemical control and their types is used in next topics. Dear friends, we uh, briefly to explain by the primary control measure. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.